Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3. Probably not really necessary, but it is pretty cool. So this thing's kind of going on its land. I played around with it. I think the best thing to do would just be double click and just cue it a little bit. You know, just play with it a little bit. But then I think it's real important to have this. You know, it kind of makes it look like a thread more, and you could play around with this. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill one of these in with that gray, then go right there by it to the interactive fill tool. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And you could play around with this till the cows come home. But then just add black, and you know, if you want it lighter or darker, you know, that actually looks pretty cool, but it's a little bit too dark. So I think I would maybe make the gray not quite as black, but then it doesn't really offset. Let's make it a little bit darker on the bottom. There we go, something like that. Now there's a couple ways you can do this, and just preference. Control D and make a duplicate, and then just grab it. You're grabbing the same thing we grabbed in the earlier videos, and then just keep going Control D. Or, pretty cool, you can use the attribute eyedropper, take a sample of that, and it will copy that blend effect or that interactive fill tool effect to all the parts. I don't like my skew job from there. Let's zoom in here. We got one more little section to fill in. And some of these little bitty sections might be hard to, I got the color attribute, and then try to fill in that little spot. And then just by mistake a while ago, I actually filled in that, and it kind of looks cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.